To open download folder on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open My Files app. To do so, go to the app screen. Swipe the screen to the right or left to find My Files app. Or you can quickly find this app by typing its name on the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap My Files app to open it. Under Category section, tap Downloads to open it. Unless you have set an app to save downloaded files to another folder, you can file all files that you have downloaded before from internet or from other apps in here. Next, go back to the main page of the My Files app. Another way to do the same thing, since download folder is located in your internal storage, you can tap internal storage under storage section. Find download folder and then tap it to open it. Here you can find all files that you have downloaded before. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.